Hi, this is Matthew Foreman from ELA in Middle School, coming to you again. And I wanted to talk to you about another product line that we have that helps support our novel study guides, but also it supports all of vocabulary building. And that's our Power Words, flashcards, and word wall sets. Now, in our novel study guides like Touching Spirit Bear, Rumble Fish, and A Long Walk to Water, we have our sets of power words that the kids go in and fill out their charts with. Well, in addition, we have the same words in our flashcard lines. For instance, these are with the Touching Spirit Bear. We'll put the word, the vocabulary word, in this case barrage, on the front of the card, along with a sentence. A barrage of fireworks were screaming through the air on the 4th of July. On the back side of the card, we see the part of speech, in this case a noun, and definition, student-friendly definition, a rapid flow of many things at once. Students come in and they are able to use these to test each other and quiz each other and practice their vocabulary. He grudgingly did his sister's chores when he lost their bet. The first time that I created these, brought them in, and before I was even able to get them laminated, my students were already using them, quizzing each other. Two kids took half of the stack and were questioning each other, having a challenge to see who could do better. Now, because this is novel specific, the atoll is mentioned, but it's right there also. Now, when I create these and laminate them, I post them on a word wall, and I have the parts of speech, noun, verb, and adjective at the top, color-coded, and I'll tape them down the left-hand side. That's why I've got the extra margin there. So the kids are able to go up to the word wall anytime that they want to review some of their vocabulary and have free time, and they can turn it over and see what the word is, what part of speech, definition, in case they're having any difficulty. And I keep them up for the entire novel. Another thing that we like to do is my kids enjoy the challenge of games, as I'm sure yours do. And one of the games that they enjoy, and I'm able to let the kids do this, is they get to play bingo. And I'll have the students be the callers. And we have our Power Words bingo, which are lined up with the novel study guides and with just the power words, if we're doing it that way. And the students are able to stand at the caller stands up at the front and will go through and they will draw a card. If they might draw a totem and say, totem, the tribe's wolf totem had great significance to them. And students come down through and see if they've got the word totem. And if they do, they mark it off with the highlighter. If they don't, no problem. If they've got skiff, the skiff was used to row to shore from a large yacht. Okay, there's skiff. Now, in order to differentiate with some of my classes, if I'll have GT students in my class, they might say, okay, something that is believed to be a sign or warning of something that will happen in the future. The students will go over their cards real quick and see if they have the word omen. So another thing that we'll do is have students challenge each other by reading the definition and seeing who can get the word. These are just a few things that we do on the side with our Touching Spirit Bear and our other novel studies, and also using power words, word walls. Hope you've enjoyed this. These are all available on our stores, ELA in Middle School, on Teachers Pay Teachers, Amped Up Learning, or the Wheel EDU. Have a wonderful time.